How to install a door closer using a parallel arm installation, where the closer mounts to the push side of the door, with the arm parallel to the door. We're installing Pamex's GC5900 series door closer. For others, refer to their installation instructions and templates. Select the degree of opening from the table provided to get the right placement. Use the correct template to mark 6 holes on the interior face of the door near the hinges for the door closer body, and 4 holes in the underside of the frame for the parallel arm bracket. Drill pilot holes in the door and frame for number 14 all-purpose screws. Tap for quarter 20 machine screws. Position the spring power adjusting nut toward the hinge side of the door. Then mount the door closer body onto the door using the screws provided. Next, install the parallel arm bracket to the frame using the screws provided. Remove the arm shoe from the forearm. Use a wrench on the square shaft at the bottom of the closer and rotate the shaft approximately 45 degrees toward the hinge side of the door. Hold and place the main arm of the shaft on top of the closer at the proper index mark. Adjust the length of the forearm so that it's parallel to the frame. Tighten the arm screw and lock washer securely. Then snap the pinion cap cover over the shaft at the bottom of the closer. When you're using a full cover, a pinion cap isn't necessary. Open and close the door to test the door closer operation. To achieve the desired closing motion, you can adjust both the closing speed between 90 and 15 degrees of the door swinging shut, and the latching speed, the last 15 degrees of the door swinging shut. If needed, adjust the spring power control to increase or decrease the opening and closing force, depending on the weight of the door. See the installation instructions for more detail. Finally, install the cover. And that's it. For other mounting methods, refer to the installation manual included in the box. If you have questions or would like to find out more, contact our customer service specialists at pamexinc.com or call us toll-free at 800-621-6869. Thanks for watching.